Hey guys, so today I want to clean the EGR on my 2008 Dodge Ram 6.7 turbo diesel, and I want to do a short video. So there is the EGR over here. First I'm gonna remove the cap on top, so I'm using a 5/16 socket. That's only 4 bolts that holds that. So I need the 10mm socket to pull 4 bolts to that's the EGR to pull it out. And 12 to unbolt that one. Okay, so everything is off, the bolts are loose. Now we're gonna unplug this. And that's it. And I lost all the bolts. So we're gonna clean this a little bit with a brush and air. So before we start the cleaning inside, I'll have to pull this out. Oh boy. You don't have to change this gasket. It's a metal gasket. Okay, now you have to kind of push that, but you gotta put something inside to stop it. Get it from over here. So when you do that, these 2 little clips are falling down. So after you pull everything out, there's gonna be like a valve inside that right now it feels like it's stuck. So that's why we're cleaning, to get rid of all the burn stuff and everything. That way that thing will move easier. And I'm using this chemical over here. It's supposed to work pretty good. Yeah, I'm just gonna spray a little bit, let it sit for a minute or 2, and then I'll wash it with water and spray again. Yeah, I'll wash with water in a couple minutes and then spray again. I'll do that a few times until everything looks clean. This is bad. Look at that. So as you see, the shiny metal it shows right now, and I only did sprayed one. I'll do that a couple times, and then everything should be clean. So everything is clean, as you see. And right now I don't even have to move the valve. It just slides in and out or down and up without touching. And what I'm gonna do right now is blow the water, and I'll put it in the sun a little bit to dry. And after that I'll put everything back. So as you see, everything is back together. Make sure you don't forget anything. Make sure everything is tight. So you have 4 bolts to put them back. This plug and this bracket over here. And it took me about 25 to 30 minutes to do all the cleaning, everything, pulling out, putting back. And I'm trying to keep that video short. Probably that's why I don't give it too much details. But I think whatever you see in the video, that should help you, and yeah, enjoy cleaning your EGR.